Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone and PC. Enable mobile data and turn on the phone's mobile hotspot. On most Android phones, go to Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. On iPhone, use Personal Hotspot. Once on, note the SSID and password exactly as displayed. Make sure your phone stays unlocked or set to allow connections. This step creates the wireless network your Windows 10 PC will join, so confirm signal strength and carrier permissions before moving to the PC. On your Windows 10 PC, click the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar to open available networks. Find the phone's SSID you noted earlier, select it and click Connect. When prompted, enter the exact hotspot password and press Next. Windows will authenticate and obtain an IP address. Once connected, verify the network shows connected and that internet access is available. If you plan to reuse the hotspot, check Connect automatically so Windows remembers the credentials and reconnects without prompting next time. Finally, verify the connection by opening a browser or running a quick ping to 88888. This confirms internet, not just local Wi-Fi. If you see no internet, first toggle the phone's hotspot off and on, then reconnect from Windows. Also make sure PC isn't in airplane mode and that the wireless adapter drivers are up to date. If problems persist, check your carrier's data allowance and hotspot settings. Some carriers restrict tethering or require a specific plan to provide full internet access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.